Hello everyone. For this tutorial video, I'd like to introduce the concept of one-sided limits, which are a tool used to describe the normal limits. A one-sided limit, as suggested in the title, is a limit that approaches from only one side and not both. In particular, there is a right-hand limit and a left-hand limit. The right-hand limit and left-hand limits have similar notations to the regular limit, but the right-hand limit has a small plus sign next to the x approaches a, and the left-hand limit has a minus sign next to the a. These positive and negative signs denote that the function is approaching from greater than the limit point and lesser than the limit point, respectively. So, with the step function we were given in the last video, we can find finite limits, provided we only approach from one side. As we remember, for this function, it has a concrete value from the right, and it has a concrete value from the left, where the value from the left is 0, and the value from the right is 1. However, one-sided limits do not magically guarantee that all limits will suddenly exist. As in the cosine of pi over t function, will still wildly oscillate from either side, so the one-sided limits will not exist either. Now that we have defined what the one-sided limits are, we can state that if the two one-sided limits exist and have equal value, it follows that the normal limit exists and has that value as well. Similarly, if the normal limit exists and has a finite value, then the one-sided limits both must exist and have the same value as the normal limit. Now that we have gone over general concepts of limits, we can explain how to actually compute the value of the limits, besides the guesses we have been doing so far, starting with the next tutorial video. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.